Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So just starting off on the weekly quickly, just want to highlight this area that we're in at the moment. Haven't quite tagged it yet. You can see that was a previous area of support before the COVID fall, and then we sort of tried to find some support above there as well towards the end of the year, and then still continued after that. So at the moment, this is also the low of last year that we are testing right now. So keep all of that in the back of your mind. Oscillators all grouped to the downside. You can see some buyers coming in here with these tails. The question at the moment that we need to be asking ourselves is, do we have a flag brewing? And for all intents and purposes, this move is looking very tired at the moment. You can see we've pretty much in a downtrend. It's been a volatile downtrend. But the big question we need to ask ourselves, is there a bit of structure forming here? So I'm just going to delete those diagonals. Nothing that we need to pay attention to just yet, but we do need to understand what potentially brewing. So at the moment for me, there's a clear bit of structure roughly in this area. You can see these tails here where we've tried to find support and we've rejected it again. So that's 32.30, and I just keep it at the heights. 32, let's just call it 32.250 as the area you need to pay attention to. And then what I would suggest is keep that bottom one intact as well. So you've got this weekly support at 29,537. So that would be sort of the floor, the line in the sand. And then you've got a range that formed towards the end of the week, which you need to pay attention to. Now, we drop down to the hour, you'll see a 2-day range here. So for now, until we break the range one way or the other, I'm not really interested in this. And because we've got this massive area of weekly support here, I'd be very skeptical of any shorts into this area. So for me, potentially looking for a break above 32.46 for in a retest, which may get us an opportunity to probably come test the 155 EMA. If we do drop, then I'm going to want to see us get through 29,537 for shorts. If we take this on the 15-minute and you just look at the volatility on Friday, really nothing going on Friday. But the problem is that if you look at this, that's 500 points. So that's a fairly decent trade. I mean, 100 points a day sort of pays the bills at the moment. So for me, we'll have to wait and see, but it is sideways. I'm kind of reluctant to be jumping in any direction. But if you just look at this logically with the 15-minute, we are in a downward trend. Oscillators starting to group the upside. Bigger trend is down. So what you should be looking for is any form of structure where there is a rejection. And there is a zone up here. Look at this, support, resistance, support, resistance. So this area here is 30,050. So between, let's just say 30,000. So if 30,000 is rejected, then you can definitely expect a move to 29,537. So I'd want to see between 30,000 and 30,052 to see some form of rejection. And that would have to be during the US session, not during the European session. If we can get a rejection there, you're looking for inside bars, pin bars, engulfing bars on that level. And the problem that you do have those, your stop is going to have to be above the range. That's a 300-point stop loss for almost a 500-point gain. So it's just a little bit better than a one-to-one trade. A little bit risky in my books, but well worth paying attention to. I think you're probably going to see us dropping into this zone before buyers start coming in off this level. So I'd definitely be taking profit around 29,530 area. Anyway, that's me for today on the Dow. It is Monday, so just be cautious. We may just continue this range for today as well. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.